Hello, everyone. Today, we'll learn how to take date and time input from users in Streamlit. We'll understand where these widgets are used in real applications. And by the end of this video, we'll build a simple appointment booking app. Let's get started. Think about websites like hospitals, schools, banks, or flight booking websites. Almost every website asks you to select a date. For example, your date of birth, appointment date, travel date, meeting date. Instead of typing the date manually, users simply choose it from a calendar. In Streamlit, we use st.date input for this. Let's create our first date picker. Write this code. Import Streamlit as st. Date equals streamlit.dateinput. Select a date. st.write selected date. Date. Save the file and run your application. You'll see a calendar. Click on any date. As soon as you select a date, it appears below. Very simple.
Sometimes we don't want the calendar to start empty. We can set a default date. Import Streamlit as st. From st.time, import date. Birthday equals st.dateinput. Select your birthday. Value equals date 2005 1 1. State.write, birthday, birthday. Now, when the app opens, the calendar already shows January 1, 2005. This is useful when your application already has some information saved. Now, let's learn another useful widget. Sometimes users also need to choose a time. For example, meeting time, appointment time, class time, interview time. Instead of typing the time manually, Streamlit provides a time picker. We use st.time input. Write this code. Import Streamlit as st. Time equals st.time input. Select time. st.write selected time. Time. Run the application. Click on the time field. Choose any time. You'll notice the selected time appears instantly. Now, let's combine everything we've learned. Imagine you're creating an appointment booking application. The user enters their name, then selects a date, then selects a time. Finally, clicks a button to confirm the appointment. Let's build it. Run the application, enter your name, select a date, choose a time, click Book Appointment. Congratulations! You've just created a simple appointment booking system. This is the same concept used in many hospital, salon, and clinic websites. Today, we learned how to use st.date input, how to set a default date, how to use st.time input, how to create a simple appointment booking application. That's all for today's lesson. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.